Whoa! We're gonna do some boiled eggs in the air fryer. When I first heard about this, I'm like, are you kidding me? But it can be done supposedly. I am going to use my rack that I got off Amazon. I'm aware some of you may not have a rack. I just don't want the eggs to move around and break. I got this off Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I know it was under $10. So I'm just going to put these in here. Okay. Let me move my air fryer away from the wall. You always want your air fryer at least 5 inches away from the wall. You don't want your air fryer to overheat. Okay. Okay, we need to set the temperature to 250 degrees. And I'm going to do 17 minutes. Here we go. I'm really scared these are going to explode or something on me. Oh dear. We have 5 minutes left in the cooking time. I can actually smell the eggs faintly. I have a bowl of water here. I'm going to add some ice because as soon as this is done, we want to put these in ice water to stop the cooking. These are done. And they did not explode or anything. Okay, I'm going to place the eggs into the ice water and I'm going to let them sit in here a good 5 to 10 minutes. I went on YouTube to find an easy way to peel a hard-boiled egg. This one was by the Crazy Russian Hacker. Whoa, that worked. But it kind of broke here. Maybe I shouldn't hit it so hard. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm going to try one more that way. Just slam it on the table. I'm not going to slam it so hard this time. Wow. I'm impressed and so happy. That shell's a little brown in the inside. Egg is fine. I'm so impressed on how easily that peeled. Now I'm going to try it another way. Let's see, I'm going to hit the bottom. Peel off about 1/4 size. Now I'm going to crack the top. Peel it about a dime size. And I don't remember the gal that had this trick. I'll have to go back and look. And then you blow. I don't recommend doing that way if you're serving to guests. It's kind of gross. Now for the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and cut one of these open. Oh wow, that is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a little closer shot for you. If you enjoyed this video and are looking for new things that you can do in your air fryer, consider subscribing because I upload videos weekly. I'm still blown away by this on how easy it was and to peel. I have no idea if it was easier to peel because of the air frying or what, but I will definitely do my hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer from now on. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.